Friends, Running Kimono here, and I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of share something weird that happened last week. So, as you guys know, we had a L'Oreal Elvive deal last week where we had two digital manufacturers and one IVC, and we were getting the Elvives for either $1 or $1.50 each, which is a cheap price. A lot of us love this shampoo. And for whatever stupid reason, only one of my digital coupons was applying no matter what, if I got two of the shampoos, four of the conditioners, whatever I was doing. I could not get them to work properly for me where the coupons were coming off. And I wasn't using a bunch of register rewards either, so that would monkey it up. But I was just having an issue with one 3 off 2 digital, which is a manufacturer. It would not come off. And that happened to me on both of my store cards. So just to kind of show you everything transparently, these are manufacturers. If you look down below where the check mark is, it says the manufacturer, and this is a 4 off a 2. And then the second digital was a 3 off a 2. Now, if you're buying 4, yes, you can use the $7 in digital manufacturers with it. Should be no problem, no issue to get extra savings as you're buying 4. We also had this IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon, which would give you an additional $4 off. That was coming off splendidly, but that one 3 off 2 digital was not. And for $3, I can't walk away from that. I need the money. It's just no ifs, ands, or buts. We're not into, not getting our complete value of the coupons. So I actually had to call or chat with customer service. I don't like to call them. So I really dislike being on the telephone. It's not my thing. So I opted for the Walgreens chat with customer service, and that kind of went sideways very quickly. So here's the story, guys. For most people, you probably would tap out and say, "Oh, the customer service rep is right." But I kind of challenged her, and I'm like, "Hey, you're absolutely wrong about this." So she wrote to me. I gave my information and the story that the two manufacturers did not come off, and she's like, "I see that 2 of your clipped coupons apply to your order, and the terms are limit 1 coupon per purchase, the others cannot be stacked." That is some awesome English. Okay, and I said to her that, hey, if you throw 4 of those in a curbside basket, both the digital coupons will apply. And if you read the fine print, like you'll have to go through a desktop computer for that specific coupon, it does say you can only use one of those coupons, per household per day. However, we have a 3 off a 2 and a 4 off a 2. Those are 2 different manufacturer coupons and 2 different promotions, and I am buying 4, thus it should work. They were clipped on 2 separate weeks. It should apply. And for whatever reason, as a curbside order, working, in the store, not working. So that's a level of frustrating on its own. I went back and forth with this lady a little bit. And then finally she said, "Okay, well, we're going to give you your $3 back." But initially, when she dusted out the 1 coupon per purchase, yeah, she was ready to say no and have a nice day. And that was it. But I just kept negotiating with her and saying, "Hey, listen, right now, add 4 to your basket and see what happens." And I think she might have. And then she's like, "Oh, there's an error there." And this again was last week. So that was, the sort of, it just was last week. But if you should deal with somebody who's just so steadfast in saying no, 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 even though they work there, they might have been a hire from last week, or, they just interpret things differently. And this old timey 1 coupon per purchase, unless it specifies by the manufacturer that you can only use 1 coupon per day, if you're buying 4, you're actually purchasing 4, thus you could use 4 coupons per the transaction. When I used to use a big stack of paper coupons in the store back in the day, that was the most frustrating and weird part of it. But now it's a little easier with digital coupons, I got to give that. But just always remain polite. Do not start, name calling and saying Walgreens is this, Walgreens is that. The cooler head that you have, you are going to prevail a lot more. And if this customer service rep, I started cussing her out and being rude and disrespectful, she could just end the chat because nobody deserves to be spoken to that way. Nobody. But I was cool and I just explained to her, I'm like, hey, if you throw 4 in a basket, both are going to apply and there's some sort of problem in store, although it's working online. And then she finally saw it my way. Comments down below. If you've been having problems with Walgreens customer service with the chat feature, please let me know. And cooler heads always prevail. And we also have this 10 back when you spend 30. This showed up this morning, which is Thursday the 21st. So please load it, and the deals will be rocking and rolling on Friday with my preview video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.